Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI images in ChatGPT. So if you want stunning AI images in seconds straight from ChatGPT, today I'll show you the exact step-by-step to generate, edit, and export photoreal, illustration, or stylized images. No fuss, let's go. So what you need, you'll need a ChatGPT account because image regeneration may require a specific plan or feature rollout depending on your account. So if you don't see images, don't panic. I'll cover troubleshooting later. So now you can just open the image tool in here. So open the ChatGPT and start a new chat and look for an image or generate image or magic images options in the composer or the right hand panel in here. On my case is library, so you can just now click the prompt box. So you can just write a great prompt in here. You can write the prompt quality, image quality, and you need to use a short formula: subject, style, medium, mood, details, and camera. So be explicit. So these are some of the results that I generated in ChatGPT. So for example, in here, I'm going to write this prompt: a cozy cafe, interior at a golden hour, photorealistic, warm film tones, soft lighting. I'm going to go, and then people in the background, blurred, composition center, on a latte cup, and I'm going to go with 16 by 9 for the size, and let's try hit on enter. So you can just hit on generate or enter and wait. So you'll usually get several variations, so you can just pick one that you like, or you can also ask for variations or style specifically if you want to. Okay, so the result is done. Here you can see this is the image for my prompt before. You guys can see here. So you can just if you want to download it right away, you can just click on this download. But if you want to edit something, you can click on this edit options and edit selected area that you want to change. And after that, you can write the prompt again. For example, replace the background with a neon cityscape like that. And after that, you can tap on generate again. And when it's perfect, you can just click on download in here, or you can also click on share to share it directly to other platforms. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.